treatment by chemotherapy. And the first stage, it can be prevented also by taking medicine. Okay. Once a cancer disease, once a cancer disease is present, the cancer cells will invade other healthy cells in the body until they get their deteriorate, and all of the vital organs in the body will not be oxygen well. Kahit gusto na yung mga cancer, be optimistic. Kasi pag ikaw ay pessimistic, lalo-lalo na yung sakit mo. Optimism, you should be a positive thinker whenever you have a cancer. Yun na.